Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, episode 3 of the Coyote swap project, I'll be installing the Ford Performance Flywheel and Exedy Mach 500 Stage 1 Organic Clutch Kit. Now these modifications are necessary if you plan on changing out the transmissions in your car. If your Coyote swap project already came with the transmission already attached to it, and you have no problem with running the stock, or rather the clutch and the flywheel that's already on there, then you can basically just ignore the step. But for mine, my Mustang did not come with a transmission, and furthermore it was a automatic, therefore I had to do a nice little swap because this is a manual flywheel rather than the old one, which right there is the automatic flywheel. And what I had to do was, obviously the engine harness has to be different for a manual car, and also because I now have a T3650 transmission, I had to swap out the flywheel along with get a clutch kit that fit the transmission and along with the engine. The first thing that I had to do was put the engine block plate back onto the transmission, or not the transmission rather, but the engine. And putting the clutch and the flywheel wasn't actually that difficult, as long as you followed the instructions that are given in the boxes provided by the manufacturers. Because the Haynes engine books that you can buy that have the the Mustang how to do this instruction book, that thing is completely useless. Well, no, I wouldn't say useless. Like, they have the torque specs and that's pretty good, but the pictures that they provide and the instructions are not very detailed. Like, the pictures are horrible. I don't know why people still use that. So hope you guys ignore that rant of mine and stick around. And if you guys enjoy this kind of videos, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be definitely coming out with more content. For these, I'm going to be using some Loctite to make sure these stay nice and tight and stay in there. I'm going to put a little bit on there and then put it on the engine. One of the things I ended up having to do was spin this around until I found which holes align correctly, because they're not actually perfectly spaced apart. So I kind of just turned it till I saw which hole actually fit.
My finger gets jammed up against that bolt. I don't think it's going anywhere.
Okay, cool.
It's too.
Do you want me to spray it?
Yeah, it can be the brake liner. It can be used on here. And then after that, we don't want to try to avoid touching it. But first, concentrate on that.
Oh.
The thick side goes in.
The thick side goes this way.
No.
This way.
Yeah. That's fine. Don't worry too much.
All right.
You should have the other thing handy too.
What's the other thing?
This
thing? What is this for?
Oh, shoot.
What is that for? Is this to hold it?
It's alignment tool.
Oh. It kind of looks.
Okay, so let's look at this for a minute. This should be able, any way that it attaches, there's 9 holes in here, and any way that you can make it, so this pattern, you've got 1, you've got 2, you've got 2, you got 1, so it's all the same,
yeah,
right?
all the
way around, so it doesn't seem like that makes any difference.
So you tighten in 1, 2, 3. That's kind of weird. There must be some sort of like method to the madness, though.
Well, now where do the pins go?
They go in the smaller ones. These set of 2.
Yeah, but you only put 3 in. So only one each. Does it matter?
I have 6 here.
No, there's two different types. That's why you have 6, I think.
TB with that heat.
$46? Yeah, we will. So 5 is this one right here?
Wait. Correct.
Okay. There's no way. Wait, why did I do that one?
This was this one, right?
So, no, so that one's, so we rotated that far. So that's 4. This was 5. I did this one, whichever this one was.
But it should be this one.
So I should do that one next.
All right.
Cool.
Let's put it in now.
Well, that's it. Yeah.